Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. Today's video I'm going to show you how to play Bon Jovi's In These Arms guitar solo. I'm going to show you step by step how to play it to make it simple and easy for you. Oh, and also this video has chapters. So if you're having trouble with one little part of the guitar solo, instead of starting from the beginning and watching the whole video again, you just want to find that one little section. It'll be time coded, so it'll be easy to find. Alright, let's get started. Go to the 9th fret on the D string, and then hammer onto the 11th. And then to the 9th fret on the G twice. But the second time is a vibrato. So it's... That's the first section. The second section, after this, bend on the 11, again bend, release it, 9, 11. That's all on the G string. Bend, bend, release it. So those two parts together. Now the third section, play the 9th fret on the G string and then bend on the B string a whole note. You want this note. Then 9 on the high E, 12 and 9 on the B string. So try it out a little bit. Now after that, bend on the 11th fret on the G string, and then 9 and 9 on the B and E string. And then go up to the 12th fret and bend the whole step. And then 9th fret on the E string. So you have this all together. So you have this in this section. Next section, 12, 9, 12, 9 on the B string and 11 on the G string. So up to that point, it sounds like this. Then the next section, bend on 11, release it, 11th fret on the D string, and 9th fret on the G string. And then from the 9th fret on the D string, slide up to the 14th fret. And then after that, just hit the B and E bar with your first finger on the 12th fret. So the next section, 14th fret, bend it twice, release it, into a pull off onto the 12th. And then in the 14th fret on the high E. 12, 9 on the E string, then 12 on the B, and then 9 on the high E. So after that, it's 12, 9, 12, 9, 11 on the G, 9 on the B. After that, those then 12, 9 again. On the then 12, 9 again on the B string, then 9, then 11, 9 on the G string, and then go back down to the G, 11, 9, D, 11, 9, and A 11/9. That's pretty much the whole solo, and then you just have 11 on the G string, coming in a little bit singing, and D on the 9th fret, 11 on the G string, 9 on the D string, 9 on the G string, bend 3 times on the B string on the 12th fret, and the last one, release it. Then the last part is just bend, release on the 12th to the 9th on the B string, and then do the same thing on the 11th fret on the G string, and release. If you're getting value out of this lesson, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. And I will see you in the next one.